Hello, dear students. Welcome to Pick Talk English. If you want to learn English quickly and easily, this episode is just for you. Let's go. Today, I will share a daily routine with you. You will hear simple English sentences that you can use every day. I will speak slowly and clearly so you can hear every sound. If you listen carefully and repeat after me, you will remember the words and use them in your own life. I usually wake up at 6 o'clock in the morning. The house is quiet and the sun is just rising. The first thing I do is stretch my arms and take a deep breath. Then I go to the kitchen and make a cup of warm coffee. The smell of coffee makes me feel fresh and ready for the day. I like to sit near the window while I drink my coffee. Sometimes I plan my day. Sometimes I just enjoy the quiet moment. Repeat after me. I wake up at 6 o'clock. I make a cup of coffee. I sit near the window. After coffee, I prepare breakfast. Most mornings, I eat eggs, bread, and fruit. Breakfast gives me energy. If my family is awake, we eat together and talk about the day ahead. I really enjoy these small moments with them. After breakfast, I open my laptop. I check my emails. Then I prepare lessons for my students. Sometimes I record videos for our channel. Sometimes I write notes and new ideas for future episodes. Let's practice. I eat breakfast. I check my emails. I prepare lessons. In the afternoon, I usually take a short walk outside. Fresh air helps me feel relaxed. I sometimes buy groceries, vegetables, bread, or milk. When I come back, I cook lunch. I like simple meals such as salad, rice, or soup. While eating, I often listen to music or read a book in English. It's a good way to practice and enjoy the language. In the evening, I spend time with my family. We eat dinner together. We talk and share stories from the day. Sometimes we watch a movie, and sometimes we just sit and chat. After dinner, I clean the kitchen and prepare things for tomorrow. Then I take a little time for myself. I read, study, or sometimes just relax with a cup of tea. At 10 o'clock, I get ready for bed. I brush my teeth, put on pajamas, and write down my plan for the next day. Finally, I turn off the lights and go to sleep. Repeat after me. I eat dinner with my family. I drink tea in the evening. I go to bed at 10 o'clock. This was today's daily routine. I hope you learned useful expressions today. Try to use these sentences in your own life. If you enjoyed this lesson, please follow and subscribe to the Pick Talk English podcast. We will make more slow and clear episodes so you can practice every day. Thank you for listening. See you in the next episode. Bye for now.